Hello, rollback is in the shop. We are getting ready to knock a few little deals out on this and get this mobile, and we're gonna start moving some cars. Got several I gotta go get. Main thing, need to rebuild the carburetor, get it out, get it done, bleed the brakes, and I got a little old deal under there I need to fix. So we'll get on this, and I'm not gonna do it tonight, kind of late, got it in here though, but I'll probably take the carburetor off and do a video of that and add it with this and kind of wrap up a little bit of it and go from there. So I might even do the brake bleeding on the video and stuff, and then we'll have this all whooped. So stay tuned for that upcoming deal, and we're gonna start using the rollback, so stay tuned. And I'll see you here in just a minute by the magic of YouTube. So, see you in a bit. Alright, everybody. Next day, we are going to take the carburetor off. Get started and get this thing cleaned. Get it running right, hopefully. At least that's the intention. Okay. Everything on the ground right now. Shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, of course, wants to bite you. Alright. That's up out of the way. Let's get the springs off. Man, that thing don't want to come off. It's gonna. Got that, got that. Okay. Vacuum off. Alright. 4 bolts. Alright, hold on. Alright. Socket makes life way easier. Make sure we don't drop that. Seriously. Wrong size. Apparently I got one oddball in the mix here. Imagine that. Oh well. It's his life, I guess. Have to get another socket for that. Hold it. There's that one. We need this one. About the same way. I don't know what is going on in there, but I got one fighting me badly. When it started, and of course it's going to be difficult the whole way. Alright. Let me go get another socket. Never fails. Okay, once again. Maybe we can get it now. Already got the back one. This one's different size, and the stud comes out apparently. Okay. Hallelujah. Alright. Well, there it is in all its glory. Alright. Get her on the bench. Give me a minute and I'll get everything set up and I'll turn the camera on when I get back. Alrighty, let's see. I don't have a vat, so I can't vat this thing. Ultrasonic cleaner, nothing like that. But I can give it a good quick cleaning. Spray it out and kind of check everything. Get this thing to where it'll run a whole lot better, hopefully. So, at least that's the game plan. It's pretty simple, 2-barrel motorcraft. Ain't much of these old carbs. Very simple. Alright. Hold it. That. See how disgusting it is. Vent tube about pinched off. Okay. See what kind of nastiness is in here. Oh yeah, it's got some treasures in it, to say the least. Alright. Oh boy, oh boy. Looks alright. Alright. Well, here it is. All I'm going to do, I'm just going to pull this out, spray through the jets, get them clean, go dump this old gas out that really don't look wonderful, and then kind of clean everything out. And we'll be using B12 Chem Tool. Awesome, awesome stuff. Used it for years. I love it. So, when I get that done, I'll be back, and then we'll put it back on the truck, and hopefully we gain something. So, I'll see you in a bit after I get this together and put it back on. So, see you here in just a minute. Alright everybody, I've got everything on, hooked up, and set. So, let's get some fuel in it and see if we made any progress. Hopefully it's better. Fuel pump on. And back. Sounds better. Idling better than it was. Alright. Pretty happy with that. Okay, I'm going to call this a video. I'll have to tweak it just a little bit with a screwdriver and whatnot. Maybe set the timing. But before it wasn't even idle, that's an improvement. not very well, but it's a lot better than it was. So I'm gonna go get a vehicle in a few days with this. I'll make a video with that when it happens, but it's just kind of a quick video with the carburetor. But we got it all fixed and it's not on. So rollback's getting ready to make a lot of videos, so stay tuned. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. It doesn't cost nothing. It's free. Click the bell. Get notified of every video like this and every other video I make. And I guess that's it. So as always, like and subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Bye.